pulled up. An escort. Hello, Mr. Officer.
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
Hey. Just trying to have a safe place to do some little videos. No burnouts. Just a little corny ass, little, you know what I'm saying? A little something. Yes, sir.
Somebody called, that's why I'm
I know. I figured them coming off of work, they're gonna be like, oh, they up to the same stuff, but.
Can I use your car for a thumbnail?
Hell no, they can't be in the video.
Yeah. Can we use your lights?
I can't. He can't be in it.
It's for content. I'm saying though, you can just sit in the car. I ain't gonna see you.
no, sir.
No. You got any guns in the car? I'm just playing.
Here's the thing. If y'all aren't gonna be doing anything reckless, if you're just taking, doing your little pictures or whatever, that's fine. Other than that, this ain't your property. No, don't.
Oh, you got a dog in there?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
That shit scared me. I ain't gonna lie.
Something like that. That's fine. It's not your property. So if they call and want y'all out of here, then y'all gotta go.
All right. What'd they say?
Yeah. Did they say we was doing something? We was just sitting here.
He said no.
Chargers, whatever.
What they said we was doing?
That's crazy.
Just don't do no burnouts and stuff like that.
Who called?
All right.
Retarded, bro.
Hey, Jew best friends with him too, boy. Hit a moonwalk.
You on live?
Yeah, I'm on live. Yeah, my dick hurts.
They called the police. Oh, it's another one.
Another one coming up.
Hey, it's another one.
And that tail twin that we good.
He just said don't do no
Yeah, he said.
Okay, that's it.
And we were just finna do that shit too. Imagine if they would have pulled up.
Run out.
Dang.
You not gonna get me. You not gonna get me.
If I get nothing,
Bro, we can't do nothing.
Hey, Brando, go show boys your fit.
I'm about to go, bro. To be honest with you.
Who's your Michael Myers?
Imagine you pulling up, burn out Michael Myers.
Hey,
They blocked that bitch. Nigga, it's over with.
What y'all think? This Brando view.
Bro, we can't believe
He talking about this nigga view. This nigga like 7'8".
Bro, what are you doing?
Bro, the live got it.
They getting that good POV.
You feel me?
Hell
Let
no.
go, bro.
Yeah, let go.
We trapped at this point.
Yeah.
Are y'all ready to go? Well, it's another spot or what?
What else y'all trying?
Y'all, we trying to figure out. I'm really giving y'all behind the scenes right now. It's really, what we the reels, God. Y'all see we got the boat over there. Oh, Isolized looking nice. And they said we can't film here because somebody called.
That's how you know you was doing.
Yeah. He was like, they just called because we was over here.
He just said
This shit going on a vlog, bro.
They just talking there. What? They gonna vlog some shows.
that shit crazy. You can't even sit nowhere.
A few moments later.
Can you just back up and then like face like this way?
This way?
Like turn around so you're facing this way and back up toward the wall.
All right. That Tesla is. Oh, what was that? You felt that?
No.
That Tesla is so. Yeah, by the steps. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. I don't remember him looking like that.
You gonna get some shorts like that?
I thought he was. Huh?
Boy, if you don't get.
Y'all like my gangster boy? Hey, y'all don't know, man. I changed my YouTube name to You Seen Jew. So come here, let me show you. It's no longer Life with Jew. So if you can't find my page and you want to find my page is You Seen Ju. Letter U, SEENJU. That's my new YouTube name. So I gotta take these off and redo that because I changed my name. I think it look better. I think it's cool. I think I'm cool. Y'all think I'm cool?
.530 horsepower.
Oh my
SUV.
God. Yo, we finna ride in this Tesla. I ain't never rode in a Tesla, bro.
I look, you don't have my 6 months yet, so we'll just go down the road and come back.
All right. Oh wait, you want your permit?
I'm 16.
Oh, you 16?
Yeah.
Damn. But y'all see, he's snapping me up, man. If y'all want pictures, what's your Instagram?
_ Case Media, CAS Media.
_ Case Media. If y'all want some pictures, y'all stay in the A. Y'all make sure y'all go DM him. But we got the boat outside, and we got this boat right here. I ain't gonna lie. Huh? Oh, you got a card to unlock it? That's crazy. Bro, what?
Hey, and press the press the front button.
Huh?
Press front
Where's
right there. You gotta press open.
Bro, should I get a Tesla, bro? Oh my God, supercharger. You got a light show on here? Hold on. Let me see how you do it.
I don't know. How is it? I'm gonna have to search this up. There's a way to do like that.
You did it before?
Yeah.
It's like a Cybertruck. Cybertruck's got Cybertrucks aren't Teslas, right?
Yeah.
I'm kind of slow, but y'all, this good Tesla. Oh my God! I'll see you
Here it
finna look
is,
up
here
how to
it
do
is.
the light show.
All right, ready?
Exit the vehicle, start the light show. What? This yours?
Not my grandma. I'm dailing it for 4 months though.
Yo, this is Grandma Tesla.
Damn, Piccolo, you did that?
Bro, that is crazy.
Yeah, but I drive a Mazda 3 Turbo, and I'm just dailing this when she's out of town. Because she lives in Seattle, and and look like you can. It's instant torque.
Oh, bro.
And look, it doesn't spin out. Watch. Like there's 0 tire spin.
What the hell? Bro, I never rode in the Tesla. I know y'all probably can't see it off the on camera.
Show them the speed.
Oh, but it still don't look as fast as it.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna do a launch. It doesn't have launch control built in, but it kind of does. It's hard to explain. So, like, if I brake, it'll tell me to take my foot off the thing, and it, like, pauses, and it goes.
Oh, bruh.
Yeah, it's crazy fast.
Oh my god.
I will give you some more photos now. And the sound that it makes, too, it's like a...
Yeah. Bro, I ain't never, bro. My hat fell off in there. I know y'all probably can't see it on camera, but
It's crazy.
yeah, for a truck, this not even a fast one though.
This is the performance, but there's, like, the Plaid versions of the X.
Yeah,
This makes 530 horsepower.
530, and it don't got no gears either. So, it's,
Yeah, it's instant torque.
bro, I gotta get me a Tesla, bro. I got you. Probably not the truck, but I definitely got to get me a Tesla. I know y'all probably couldn't see the torque from the inside, but it's crazy fast.
Hey, can I go for a
Okay, thanks. Love you back. Yeah, love you back.
Hey, turn like around.